What's good, my sizers? We're back again with another video. In today's video, we will be doing a room tour at the Rio, except we're gonna be looking at one of their newly renovated rooms. So let's get into it. So when we first walk into the room, immediately on our left-hand side is the vanity area. You have one sink, a pretty cool looking mirror, some wall art, your magnifying mirror for makeup, the blow dryers over here. And then you have 4 sets of drawers that you can use. And then if we go over here, straight ahead is the bathroom. Turn the light on, and again, you have another sink and mirror. You have towels, and check out this shower. This shower is actually very interesting because one, it's a removable shower head, so that's actually very convenient. They also have like a little shelf so you can put your amenities there, but they also provide body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and then there's a little bar right here to help you in and out the shower. However, there is no door. It's like a half door, so it's a walk-in shower because like see over here you could see the reflection and stuff, but then over here there's nothing. So like there is no extra door. It's just this piece right here of glass, and then the rest of this is open. So I think that's an interesting concept for a shower because I feel like the floor will definitely be getting wet. So make sure to put that towel down. And then over here, if we check out the mirror, hold on, the bathroom is a little tight because I'm right next to the toilet. But if we check out the mirror and the sink, and then of course your towels and toilet paper right there. And then if we leave the bathroom, on the left-hand side, we have the closet. So let's see how much space we're working with. Ooh, you guys did not hear that. But you have your ironing board. They provide some hangers. And this is where you can put your luggage, which is nice. Oh, this is cool. So they have regular hangers and then hangers with the clips on them over there. And then of course a shelf. Now if we open up the other side, ouch. If we open up the other side, then this is where you have your safe and then just extra floor. So you can put your suitcases and everything else that you have on the floor next to that luggage thing. I still have no idea what that's called, by the way. So if we keep it pushing, I still have no idea what that luggage thing is called, by the way. But on our way to the main area, there's this hook right here where you could put your towels, your coats, whatever your heart desires, so that's pretty nice. And then onto the main area, you have a full-length mirror, and I really like the frame that this mirror is in. I just think it's a nice touch. I don't know, I just really like it. And then next to that, you have the entertainment system area, so you have a TV, wall decor, and then check out how long this couch is. So there are 2 different options you can have for Rio's newly renovated rooms. You can have 2 queens and a couch that turns into a sleeper, so it's like you could pull out a mattress or whatever from the couch, or there's an option where you could get 1 king size bed and a sleeper. So obviously this is the 2 queens and a sleeper option. There is not that much wall decor except for this corner over here, which is nice. And this is like their desk area since there is no desk. So if you pull this cabinet open, there's actually shelves that you can use. So that's nice. And then this section over here on the left is actually a refrigerator. And check it out. It's empty. You can use it. They're not going to charge you to use it. But look how big this is. So you have shelves where you could put water here. You have like floor space here where you could put small foods and stuff, or like if you need anything refrigerated that fits here. So I think that's cool that they have refrigerators that are empty that you can use free of charge. So this is the bed area. Again, this is the 2 queen size bed options. I will say one thing I notice about this room, hold on, this is like crooked, I believe. One thing I noticed about this room is that there's no dressers. There's no dressers here, but I mean, it is what it is. And also for a newly renovated spot, I don't know if you can see it, but the handle right there is broken. So let's open it up. But yeah, you guys see how this is broken? So for something that's newly renovated, not a good look, but it is what it is. And then with this lamp, I want to show you guys this lamp specifically because you have the switches to turn the lamp on and off. And then they also have an outlet here and here. So I think that's nice because usually the outlets are found somewhere in the couch, depending where you stay, like what casino, hotel you stay at. But let's check out the view. I looked at it and it's not strip side, but it is what it is. Can't complain. Window's a little dirty. So as you can see, we are facing the back side of the Rio. So all we see really is like, so as you can see, we are facing the back side of Rio. So all you can see really is houses and like warehouses and stuff. I see a couple of apartments, but it's not much of a view. But again, it is what it is. We are looking at one of their parking garages right there. And then on the left is the sign that says Gold Coast. After that, the rest of this is just warehouses and things like that. All right, you guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think about the Rio and if the renovated rooms are worth it or not. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!